what niche should you focus on Etsy? So let me think about this, because there's a lot of niches that I don't talk about publicly. There's some niches that I do talk about publicly. So I previously talked about women's clothing. It's a very strong niche, but there's an operational difficulty. There's difficulties with operations. But I talk a lot about jewelry. Jewelry is definitely getting more busy now. And you've got to put more effort in to get the same amount of return. I've been talking about it for a year, right? I would say, let me just think, because I don't want to give a niche up that I know a bunch of the Etsy Kings guys are inside of, but then I don't want to give you a shit niche, okay? So just let me think about it for a second. I mean, jewelry is still a massive fucking niche. Jewelry is crazy big. Let me look how many products. I can't even. There's like 20 million products in jewelry. More than 20 million products in jewelry. Fuck it. Jewelry, bro. There's 20 million products in jewelry. It's not saturated. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.